Hello, everybody. Welcome back. Gonna do mission three, testing Skyhawk, Rolling Thunder Skyhawk for Bob Best and Steve Dixon. Um, Soon to be put out by, I don't know how soon, by Legion Games. We're testing it, so you all will get the benefit of a finely polished game. I've added something to this module, which will now make it my personal module. I won't even distribute to the playtesters unless they somewhere along the line decide to add it as official. I like to keep track of my superficial, and that's not working, so I've got to go pause this and fix that quick. All right, so I'll have to open a new game and restart from scratch on that. But basically, we're playing individual basic missions right now, but I'm kind of using the um, campaign format to just keep my things structured. Us military guys just love our structure. So I'm officially play testing a campaign. We're not supposed to be, but I never was much for uh, listening. I have that selective listening as it goes. Second mission was there. Third mission will be on the 14th on Sunday, so we have the calendars set back up. Um, I think we had a bronze star. And I think that'll probably do it. Mission 3 will be 8/14, 1966. I'm still flying. Like I said, as much as it irks me, I will give myself a Navy title. Actually, no, the Brothers in Arms. I'm a jarhead for those of you that haven't guessed it, but the inter-service rivalry is always there. But when it comes down to it, they're brothers in arms. And I respect everybody that put their life on the line for our great country. All right, so let's go with booking out the charts. And I did make another change. We can actually read them now, made them a little bit bigger. That will go out to the play testers. Um, every fifth mission, which we're not supposed to do. Um, Go to the gazetteer. Let's find our target for today. And that will be 92. Laos NV border. Route 19 interdiction. Communication transportation lines. So the target will be Route 6. Route 19. See if that actually shows up. Oh, nice. Type will be com, tran, com, tan, tran. All tongue-tied and twisted. And location, Laos, NV. Think I'd put that all right. Yeah, Laos NV border. Sounds to me like a little bit of the Ho Chi Minh Trail, which wasn't one actual trail. It was a series of things, and if we would have put some boots on the ground against that trail, the war may have turned out differently. I was just watching some documentaries on that, and some of the North Vietnamese were surprised that we never put boots on the ground and assaulted their supply line because that was their big weakness. And the fact that we tried to do it through the air was more of a waste of time. Everything we tried, they had a little trick up their sleeve on. So that's what happens when government gets mixed up in military affairs. Um, enough politics. Um, okay, we have our target, weather, over the first over the target. 7 will be good. And I forgot to put the date in. And for trap weather, we get 9, which will also be good. The rest of that we'll find out later. Planning events are a none. You would roll for those on the Gazetteer. They'll be 95, 65, 27. You won't roll them much, but when you do, you probably wouldn't want to. They don't look like they're very good. Anytime the government gets involved or the weather changes, bomb shortage, none of that's good news. So I think we're ready to launch. We're on the launch pad there, and here we go. We're green, so we get a -1. It takes us to 3. That's a good launch. So we're off to the inbound random event. Inbound random event, we roll 1d10. 3 will be no event. I had that weather over target. That sucks. Oh shit. I forgot something. Support units. And that's why I forgot them. I put them down here now. That's what you get for changing things up, Greg. 2. Oh, there it is. My first bad, well, not horrible roll, but my first bad roll. I only get 3 support units. We must choose wisely. F4 Phantom. I can choose just about any target. Gotta have always gotta have an A6 intruder. And let's take another F4. That's my support unit. Knew I was forgetting something. Okay, aerial refueling box. We passed through events, so we can go to the aerial refuel. We roll a 0. Catastrophic accident A. Roll 1d10. This is going to suck. 9. Probably what I get for Skyhawk explodes, pilot killed, end of mission. So that is my second short video today. Um, we blew up on refueling. So that, my friends, is the end of that. We will roll up another 9 campaign game tomorrow. I'll keep that one right where it is. That's probably like karma for not paying attention to Steven's request to just do 2 single missions. So we will re-roll into another one. Thanks for joining me, and we will see you next time. I'll put this one on YouTube, but probably not on Facebook. I don't want to embarrass myself too much. So, Greg Amos, down in flames. See you next time.